Okay, Claude Opus 4.8 just landed. Same price, sharper everywhere. But the part nobody's talking about? One setting in Claude Code. Flip it on, and Claude stops acting like one assistant. It quietly builds itself a team. Quick bit of background. Every time Claude answers, it spends some thinking before it replies. Anthropic just turned that into a dial you control. Turn it down, it answers fast. Turn it up, it thinks harder, plans deeper, takes its time on the messy stuff. There are 4 steps on that dial now. And sitting right at the top, above all of them, is one mode that does something the others just don't. That's the one we came for. You set the dial with a single command. Low, medium, high, and then the new top rung. Honestly, for most work, the middle is plenty. But when you hand Claude something genuinely gnarly, a big refactor, a bug smeared across 20 files, you want it reaching for the top. And here's the thing, the very top isn't just more thinking. It changes what Claude's allowed to do on its own. And it's got a name, ultracode. This is straight from the Claude Code docs. 2 lines, the whole idea. Switch it on, Claude runs at that highest effort and decides, by itself, when a task's big enough to deserve a full workflow. You don't ask for it. It just goes. So what's a workflow here? Normally, Claude works the task itself, one train of thought, start to finish. With ultracode on, the moment it hits something big, it does what a good tech lead would. It splits the job into pieces. Then, it spins up a stack of sub-agents, each one taking a piece, all running at the same time. Pulls the results back, checks them, reports. One prompt from you. A dozen Claudes grinding away underneath, and this goes further than you'd guess. Anthropic says a single session can fan out across hundreds of parallel sub-agents. They've run whole codebase migrations this way. Hundreds of thousands of lines, kickoff to merge, with your own test suite as the bar. Wait till you hear the ceiling, 1,000 sub-agents in one run, so at least it can't spiral forever. The catch? Every one of those agents burns tokens. This is a sledgehammer. You don't grab it to rename a variable. One last reason this matters right now. Opus 4.8 is, by Anthropic's own numbers, around 4 times less likely than the last version to let a flaw in its own code slip by unmentioned. So a model that catches its own mistakes, running flat out, running a team. Flip ultracode on for the heavy lifting, the migrations, the deep debugging. Leave it off for quick edits. That's the rule. Right tool, right size. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.